Emotions and money are closely connected, affecting how we deal with our finances. When we feel stressed or anxious about money, it can change the way we think about spending or saving. For example, when I feel happy, I want to spend more, while feeling worried, I avoid looking at my bills. By understanding this connection, we learn to handle our feelings better and make smarter choices with our money. In this video, I'm about to explain the lessons I have learned after reading The Psychology of Money. By the end, you will learn practical tips on how to avoid bad money decisions. Lesson 1. Pay the price. Every decision we make has a cost, especially when it comes to money. We often think about money we might earn from an investment, but we forget about the emotional toll it can take. For example, imagine you invest in a new business. At first, you're excited and you feel like you're going to make a lot of money. But when the market changes and the value of investments goes down, that excitement turns into fear. You start worrying about losing your money. These feelings are normal when investing, and learning to deal with them is key to do well over time. Morgan Housel says, investing is not just about the money, it's about your emotions too. That means that how we feel plays a big part in the decision we make with our money. Let's say you buy a stock in a tech company that's been in the news a lot. At first, you're happy, thinking about the money you might make. But when the news breaks out about a data breach and the stock price drops fast, that happiness turns into a worry as you see the value of investments fall. Many investors go through this roller coasters of emotions. If you found this video valuable so far, please like and subscribe for more videos. Think about it, it's like playing a sport. When you start soccer, the practicer might make you feel tired and sore. Sometimes you might want to quit because it feels too hard. But as you keep practicing, your skills get better and you start enjoying the game. In investing, it's similar. You have to deal with the ups and the downs and be patient. Great investors learn to control their emotions and wait for the reward, just like the athletes work hard to get better. Lesson 2. The power of probability. Luck plays a big role in how much money you can make. Hard work is important, but sometimes being at the right place at the right time can make a huge difference. Many successful people got lucky along the way, even if they worked hard to get there. Life is unpredictable, so luck is often part of the journey to success. Housel says, success is often about being in the right place at the right time. This reminds us that while we can work hard, we cannot control everything that happens. Take Bill Gates for example. He was smart and he worked hard, but he also went to a school that had computers, when most of the other schools didn't. This helped him to learn skills earlier and that set him apart. This luckily helped him become very successful. Sometimes we see people get rich quickly, like by creating a popular app or a business. It's easy to think that if we just copy them, we will succeed too. But often, they were lucky to be in the right spot at the right time. Instead of focusing on just one success story, look at many. This helps you to see how luck often plays a part in people's success. Learning from different stories can help you improve your chances of success and remind you that luck plays a role in your journey. Lesson 3. Wealth is what you don't see. Being rich and being wealthy are two different things. Many people think being wealthy means showing off with expensive cars and big houses. Housel says, true wealth is invisible. It's what you don't spend. This means wealth is not about what you show off, but what you save and invest for the future. Think of a friend who always has the latest, best clothes. They might look rich, but maybe they don't have any savings. If they lost their job or have an emergency, they might be in trouble. Meanwhile, another person might drive an old car or live in a very simple house, but have a lot of money saved up. That person is truly wealthy because they are secure of their finances. Focus on saving your money and making smart financial decisions rather than trying to impress others with what you own. Understanding what real wealth is helps you make better choices for your future. Knowing the difference between looking rich and being wealthy helps you to realize that saving for your future is more important than showing off what you have today. Lesson 4. Use money to buy control. Money can give you more control over your life. When you manage your money well, you open more choices and opportunities. This control isn't just about having a lot of money. It's about using your money in ways that match your goals and values. Having a plan for your finances gives you the freedom to make decisions that lead to a happier life. Housel says, money can buy you freedom and control. This means when you understand how to handle your money, it helps you to feel more confident in making life decisions. Say you want to go on a fun vacation with your friends. If you save some of your money each week instead of spending it on stuff you don't need, like dinners and going out, you will enjoy your vacation without worrying about your money. You will feel good knowing that you planned for it. Start saving money for things that matter, like travel, education, hobbies. The more you control you have over your money, the more freedom you will have to live the life you really want. Money is a tool that can help you create your life you want, giving you freedom to make choices that really matters to you. Lesson 5. The dangers of comparison. In today's world, it's easy to compare yourself to others, especially with social media. But comparing yourself to others can hurt your self-esteem, make bad financial choices. When you see people showing off new things like phones or vacations, it can make you feel like you need to do the same, even if it's not a good choice for you. Housel says, comparison is the thief of joy. This means when you compare yourself to others, you take away your own happiness. Imagine scrolling through social media and seeing your friends with the newest cars and iPhones. You look at your own phone and you start feeling bad. This might make you want to spend money just to keep up, even if it's not something you really need. Instead of focusing on what others have, focus on your own goal. Think about what you want to achieve in life. Don't worry about what other people are doing. Focus on your own progress and celebrate every step towards reaching your goals. Takeaway. Stop comparing yourself to others and focus on your own path. Celebrate your progress. If you like this video, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.